The last one that I'm going to tell you that I don't have a slice is the one that blow the mind the best. It's an amazing business. We're talking a business that make billions for you buying something they're not selling. Adobe. Adobe. Look like a software company really operates as a recurring subscription tollbooth of creativity. They lend you the software for you to use, but you need to keep buying. You need to keep paying. What people think, Adobe looks like a company that sells design, editing, and media software. The visible focus is on tools such as Photoshop, Illustrator, and Premiere. They're not so strong right now because Canva, with way less, now you can do some of the similar things, but the edition that you can do in Photoshop is amazing. I remember I'm gonna get myself older than I look like. 30 years ago, I remember learning using Photoshop and the layers and how you can do transparencies and the backgrounds and erase background. 30 years ago, we didn't have that. It was only Adobe, the one you can give you to use.